Lyle, what are you doing? What are you doing? Can you tell me something? You were just screaming a minute ago. Ah! Go ahead. Tell us. What are you going to tell us? Ah! No? You're just going to eat your book? You're just going to eat your book? How about, do you want to show us, where are your shakers? Where are your shakers? Say hi. You want to show them how you're thinking about crawling? See, come on. You're thinking about it. Come on. Come on. Oh, back to sitting. Back to sitting. Come on. Come here. I know, you're concentrating so hard. Come on. Show us. Oh, I know. Oh, really? Go ahead. Come on. Go ahead. Tell us. Go ahead. You flap your wings. Oh! 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 Oh, very funny. Anything else you want to tell us? All right. Just say hi, everybody. I'm sorry. Hi!